Hey guys, it's Tory. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So I have a really cool project today. I am going to be using these glass vases from the Dollar Tree. And I also got some shells, seashells from the Dollar Tree. And they actually sell sand from the Dollar Tree as well. They actually didn't have any when I went there, so I happen to have sand actually at home in the garage, like the play sand. We still had a bag for some reason, so I'm going to use that. And then we're going to use candles, which are from the Dollar Tree. And I actually have another set of candles I may use from the Dollar Tree. I haven't decided which ones. Excuse me. But the one thing I did not get from the Dollar Tree is this. So, and my mind's a little blank. I think this is macrame cord is what it's called. What we're going to do is wrap this cord around here. And let me change the camera so you guys can see better. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just kind of cut off this fraying end. So we can start with something a little bit more put together. Okay, so what we're going to do is wrap this around the bottom. And I'm thinking maybe like 3 or 4 layers. And we're gonna get started. We're just waiting for the glue gun to heat up. It should be pretty quick. Okay, so what we're going to do is just add some glue around the bottom, and we'll just start with a little bit until we get this going. We'll go ahead and apply that there. Okay, and then I'm going to just kind of put a little bit over here on there just to kind of make that go down. Okay, so now we're gonna get going. Okay, so let's go ahead and just apply glue, and we're gonna kind of pull and then just keep going. And I'm just kind of pulling this as I go. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is kind of tuck this over a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and put glue over there and then just kind of go over it. We'll see if we can kind of hide that fraying look. Okay, so now we're going to kind of twist it a little bit and then keep going. So we're just kind of overlapping it a little bit like that, and then we're just applying it. Almost like it looks like it's braided, you know? Let me go ahead and do another. Okay, so then we're gonna go ahead, add some more glue. And I've seen these like at the Pottery Barn. They're super cute. I've seen them on Etsy. So let's get a little bit of that glue off. And we're gonna pull, okay, and pull this. And I think I'm gonna do one more, go around one more time. Let's add. Ah, that just touched my hand. I always burn myself, always. Okay, and if you get any elsewhere, like it just kind of rubs off. So, and let's apply some here. Okay, so let me just stop for a second and take a look, see where we're at. Let's do Let me see. Should we do, I guess we'll go ahead and wrap it around just a little bit more, and then we're going to, you know, cut it and then just kind of like wrap it somehow. It also may be easier if you use like a macrame cord that's not as big. This is actually a big one, but this is what I had on hand, and I still think it's going to turn out cute. So let's go ahead and we'll do it like right here, okay? We'll cut it. So now we are going to put some more glue here and pull it. And let me get my famous glue thing so I don't burn my thumb. Okay, so then we're gonna do here as well. Okay, and then we want to twist this, and then we're going to like apply this down. So maybe I should do this. So we're gonna twist it, and I'm probably gonna need this. Let's see. Just kind of move it a little bit with the glue gun. Okay. And I'm just kind of braiding it a little bit at the end and molding it to the others. Okay, so I think that'll look good. Okay, so let's check it out. Let's see what we have so far. Okay, so we have this so far. Then we are going to put sand in here, but before we do that, let's open the shells. So let's go ahead, open these, and we're gonna put these on here so it's all nautical looking. And let's cut this. Okay. I've seen some really cute ones, like with starfish and all that, and I didn't see any. Like, I know they don't have starfish at the Dollar Tree, but oh, this one's cute. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is kind of apply like the shell on here. This will be cute. Let's do this one. That one's cute. Let's do something like that. Okay, so I'm going to just apply it to here, to the shell, and then put it here. Just hold it. Okay, and let me see if there's like another small one. Oh, this one's cute too. This is like a little mini shell. That's cute. Okay, so we're gonna do this one. Let's see how I can apply that. Okay, so we'll put this right here. And then we're going to put this, we'll put it the same direction. So now let's add some sand. And let me move this out of the way. And I have two, so we'll do the next one as well. But let's just, I want to see what this is going to look like. Let me see. And I don't want to make a mess too. Okay, let's see. So, let's move this over. Okay. Let me get a little bit smaller bowl. Perfect little cup. Okay, so let's go ahead and add some more sand. Let me do one more scoop. Okay, and then I'm just going to use my hands a little bit. Just kind of move it around. And they had all different colors of sand online that I saw at Dollar Tree, like white and I don't know if they're all year round, but I know that they do have sand now, but they didn't when I went there. Okay, so there's two different candles I had. I could do a candle like this, which actually might be too big. So let's get the other one and see what that looks like. Which, actually, that one's not bad. This one's more like the floating. Let's see. I don't know. I think I like the big one, you guys. And I could actually, you know what? I could actually do it this way. Just kind of make it a little bit. Okay, and then we can do a little, let me get this one out of the way. And put those like in here. You could even do something like this on the side. So, what do you guys think? You think this is cute? What do you think? So, let me clean up a little bit and move the side. I think this is so cute, you guys. I'm trying to decide what we should do with the other one. I saw another one where they use like this kind of material, like this kind of like a burlap type string, I want to call it, rope. But what I'm going to do is first start at the bottom here with the macro cord, and then I'm going to switch. So let's see what that looks like. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this, so important. Okay. To use this string and do a few layers. So let's just kind of take some of this out. Now let's apply this. Let's get this. Okay, so we're just going to do a little bit here to get started, and then I thought this would be cute, just at like a little contrast of colors, material. Okay. Okay, and more glue, or okay, let's add some here. Okay, and you'll see like a lot of flyaway glue, and you can just remove that at the end. Move this over here. So I think I probably need to do this like 4 times around because it's so thin, at least 4 times, so you can see it. Okay, so that's twice. Okay. Yeah, well, we need to. Okay, and they're still kind of, the glue is still kind of warm, so I'm actually just wrapping it tightly, and if it's gonna stick, that'll be great. And then I can make it a little bit thicker. Here, let me move this. go like this. Okay, so let me see here where it would attach. Okay, so this part right here is good part to apply. Going to apply it like this. And then there's another really colorful one that we can do like this. Okay. Okay. I think that's so cute. Okay. And this is probably a project to do outside, but that's okay. I can do it inside. Okay, so let's add some more sand from around it. Let me do a little bit. Here, let's do it like that. This, let's see. What do you think? Really, if you can't do anything wrong when you're using shells. Everything looks so cute. Even like that. Let's do one with a little color. This is a big one. Let's get one of the, oh, this one's so pretty, you guys. Look how pretty that is. Let's do it this way. And then we need to do one here. Nope, other way. So what do you guys think? Do you like it? This one, I couldn't get it to light because the wick broke. But isn't that so cute, you guys? I love it. And it has a nice scent, a nice fresh scent. So tell me what you guys think. I'd love to get feedback and tell me if this is a project that you guys would like to do and would you do. So leave any comments below, and as always, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.